Did you ever wonder what truly makes a car iconic? Is it the speed, the design, its place in history, or the sheer power of its legacy? Today we're taking you on a journey through time to uncover the most iconic cars of all time. Vehicles that didn't just make an impact, but shaped the very fabric of automotive culture. From revolutionary engineering to pop culture legends, these are the machines that changed the game forever. Stick around until the end to see which legendary car claims the #1 spot. Some cars are built for performance, while others are built for legend. The Toyota Supra MK4A80 achieved both. With its robust 2JZ engine, it became the darling of car tuners worldwide, capable of reaching monstrous horsepower with the right modifications. But what truly cemented its status? Pop culture. The Supra roared into global fame thanks to the Fast and the Furious, making it the ultimate street racing icon. A sleek design, near-invincible engineering, and a devoted fan base have made the Supra one of the most recognizable sports cars ever built. American muscle has a face, and that face is the Ford Mustang. The 1965 to 1967 fastback, in particular, became a cultural powerhouse, immortalized in films like Bullitt. More than just a car, the Mustang was a movement, embodying freedom, power, and the open road. Its aggressive V8 growl and unmistakable design didn't just turn heads, it ignited passion. Decades later, the Mustang remains an icon of American engineering and rebellion, refined, timeless, unmistakable. The Aston Martin DB5 is more than just a car, it's a statement. And when James Bond slid behind the wheel in Goldfinger, it became the ultimate spy vehicle, equipped with a smooth inline-six engine and a design that oozes sophistication. The DB5 is the epitome of elegance and performance. Even without the Hollywood glamour, this grand tourer would still be one of the most desirable classic cars ever created. Before the term supercar even existed, Lamborghini redefined automotive boundaries with the Miura. Its radical mid-engine layout, a feature once exclusive to race cars, revolutionized performance engineering. The Miura wasn't just fast, it was a rolling sculpture with Italian curves that embodied speed and luxury. Powered by a roaring V12, it wasn't just a car, it was an experience, cementing Lamborghini as a force to be reckoned with in the exotic car world. Dubbed the most beautiful car ever made by none other than Enzo Ferrari, the Jaguar E-Type was an instant masterpiece. Its long hood, flowing lines, and sculpted bodywork made it a dream on wheels. But it wasn't all about aesthetics. Beneath its sleek exterior lay an engineering marvel with a top speed of 150 miles per hour and a chassis that handled like a dream. To this day, the E-Type remains one of the most coveted and admired classic cars in the world. Raw, relentless, revolutionary. The Ferrari F40 was more than just a car. It was a performance manifesto. Built to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary, it pushed the boundaries of speed and aerodynamics. With a twin turbocharged V8 engine and an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber body, it became the first production car to break the 200-mile-per-hour barrier. Decades later, the F40 remains the ultimate embodiment of unfiltered driving exhilaration. The Chevrolet Corvette C2. Stingray wasn't just another American sports car. It was a revolution that changed the perception of American performance vehicles forever. When it debuted in 1963, it stunned the world with its radical split-window coupe design, which looked like something from the future. But the Stingray wasn't just about appearances, it introduced cutting-edge engineering that made it a true performance machine. Equipped with a range of powerful V8 engines, the C2 Corvette delivered breathtaking acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. The introduction of an independent rear suspension, a rarity among American cars at the time, significantly improved handling and road stability, allowing drivers to push the car to its limits. Whether roaring down the highways or dominating racetracks, the Stingray proved that American cars could compete with European exotics. Its sculpted bodywork, aggressive stance, and race-inspired interior made it an instant classic, and its impact is still felt today in the modern Corvette lineup. The C2 Stingray didn't just define an era, it became an enduring symbol of American innovation, speed, and style. The Porsche 911 is the embodiment of timeless evolution. a car that has defied the odds by maintaining its core identity while continuously improving over the decades. With its signature rear-engine layout and instantly recognizable silhouette, the 911 has become a benchmark for performance, handling, and precision engineering. From the air-cooled classics of the 1960s and 70s to today's high-tech turbocharged beasts, every generation of the 911 refines its formula while staying true to its origin. The car's remarkable balance, responsive steering, and near-perfect weight distribution make it one of the most rewarding driving experiences on both road and track. Porsche's commitment to innovation has ensured that the 911 remains competitive against modern supercars, while preserving the thrill and mechanical purity that have defined it for over half a century. Whether admired for its racing pedigree, used as a daily driver, or collected as a piece of automotive history, the Porsche 911 represents the pinnacle of German engineering and a legacy that continues to inspire car enthusiasts worldwide. Few cars have captured hearts across generations like the Volkswagen Beetle. Originally conceived as the people's car, it quickly became an icon of mobility, affordability, and charm. Its unmistakable rounded shape and air-cooled rear engine made it an engineering marvel of simplicity and efficiency, winning the loyalty of millions worldwide. From the post-war boom to the counterculture movements of the 1960s, the Beetle was more than just a car. It was a cultural symbol embraced by free spirits, adventurers, and families alike. Whether featured in classic cinema, as Herbie in The Love Bug, or seen packed with surfboards on the California coast, the Beetle embodied individuality and an enduring sense of fun. It wasn't the fastest or most powerful car, but its reliability, affordability, and personality made it one of the best-selling vehicles in history. Even as production ended, the Beetle's legacy lives on through modern reimaginings, proving that a great design and a unique spirit can stand the test of time. Some cars make history, others define it. The Ford Model T did both. Before it, automobiles were a privilege of the wealthy elite, but Henry Ford changed the world with the introduction of mass production techniques that made cars affordable for the average person. The Model T wasn't just a vehicle, it was a movement, providing newfound mobility and reshaping industries along the way. It featured a simple yet durable design, capable of tackling rugged terrain, making it practical for both urban streets and rural landscapes. By 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been produced, solidifying its place as the best-selling car of its time. It pioneered the concept of automotive accessibility, allowing millions to experience personal transportation for the first time, forever altering how people lived, worked, and traveled. Without the Model T, the modern automobile industry wouldn't be what it is today, and its influence can still be felt in every car on the road. There you have it, the most iconic cars of all time. Each of these legends left an undeniable mark on history, proving that cars are more than just machines. They're symbols of innovation, passion, and cultural change. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. See you in the next video.